Hello everyone. So in today's video I will be talking about the leading crop protection products in India. So in this first video I will be talking about the insecticides of leading agro companies. For example, there are several products. There are four different classes of products which have been manufactured by several companies globally, but I would be talking about the products which are majorly produced in India. Okay, so in this section, in this first part of the video series, I will be talking about the insecticides, those which are going to target the insects in the agro system. Okay, so firstly, we are going to see what are crop protection products. For example, these crop protection products includes those formulations which are utilized in agricultural system, like which are used in farms in order to protect the plants or crops from pests, then diseases, as well as the weeds. Okay, so they are classified in four different categories like insecticides, then fungicides, herbicides, as well as the biopesticides. Insecticides are those which are going to target the small insects which adversely affect the plants. Then the fungicides which target the fungal pathogens. Then herbicides which basically attack on the unwanted plants which are growing around the target plants, like the weeds which are invasive plant species. Then lastly, biopesticides. These biopesticides are natural pesticides which are derived from plant or microbial sources. Okay, there are several leading companies like UPL, then Bharat Rasayan Limited, then Dhanuka, as well as Bayer. We all know about Bayer Sands. Then PI Industries is also a leading brand. Okay, along with it, there is a little point is that India is the fourth largest producers of agrochemicals globally. There are several other companies. For example, Syngenta is a company which is working out globally. It is having their locals like in India also, as well as outside India. Okay, so the first popular insecticide which we are going to know about is the Confidor. Confidor is a Bayer crop science product. It is a leading insecticide in market. The active ingredient which is present in this formulation is imidacloprid 200 SL, containing around 17.8% weight by weight. The active ingredient which is present in this formulation is imidacloprid. It belongs to generally neonicotinoid class of insecticide and is known for its low toxicity to warm-blooded animals, exceptional systemic properties, and long-term effectiveness. Basically, this Confidor target is having both function, like the mode of action depends on both. It can act based on contact as well as it is a stomach poison. It basically works by interfering with the transmission of impulses in the nervous system of insects. What kind of insects? It basically includes aphids, jassids, thrips, whitefly, brown plant hopper, termite, etc. And the crop on which it is widely used includes cotton, rice, chili, sugarcane, mango, sunflower, okra, citrus, grape, groundnut, and tomato. Okay, I have also cited the reference website which you can go through in order to get in detail knowledge about what is the different dose of this Confidor solution for different crops. Another one is Canon. It is a NaCl product. The active ingredient which is present in it is chlorpyrifos as well as cypermethrin. The percentage varies. One is 50% and the another one is 5% weight by volume. The recommended crop, the major crop that it basically works on is cotton. The mode of action of this Canon, it basically affects the nervous system by inhibiting the breakdown of acetylcholine, which leads to neurotoxicity and eventually death of the insects. The same insects are present here like aphid, jassid, thrips, whitefly, and bollworm. Okay, moving to the next. It is Tracer insecticide. Tracer insecticide is a Corteva AgriScience product. the main ingredient which is present in this formulation is calcova, okay, also termed as spinosad. Okay, so the compound, the active ingredient, that is calcova, it belongs to spinosins class of insecticides. These spinosins are the natural product or natural product of insecticides. As you can see, this calcova, the active ingredient, is originated from a bacteria, a soil borne bacteria, that is Saccharopolyspora spinosa. Okay, as it is a natural sourced insecticide, it belongs to spinosins class of insecticide. Okay, and it is also classified as an organic substance by the USDA Natural Organic Standards Board and is listed for use in organic production by the Organic Materials Review Institute, that is OMRI. Okay, and it is also widely utilized on crops like cotton as well as pepper, targeting different insects like bollworm, fruit borer, as well as thrips for chili. Okay, so these are the 4 commonly utilized insecticides which are used in India. Okay, these are the leading brands. Along with it, the last one is Coragen insecticide. It is a FMC product, India based product. It belongs to an ethanoic diamide. It consists of an ethanoic diamide, broad spectrum insecticide in the form of suspension, okay, in liquid form. The active ingredient is chlorantraniliprole. It is around 18.5% weight by weight. Okay, it also target insects on all the stages from immature to adult stage, thereby providing excellent and long lasting crop protection. The crops includes sugarcane, soybean, maize, groundnut, rice, Bengal gram, as well as green gram. And in the similar way, it also controlled termites, green semilooper, stem borer, tobacco caterpillar, etc. So these are the 4 common insecticides utilized. So in the next video, I will be talking about the 4 leading fungicides which have been employed in Indian agriculture system. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.